Hello and welcome to my final project in Cs50P. It's 27th of December in 2024. And my name is Jonas Johansson-Kjellerød. I'm from Oslo in Norway and these are my usernames on GitHub and edX. My project is named News Update because it displays the latest news in the chosen category, and it can also read the news out loud. So this is my program. If we run it, we can see that it prompts us for a category of news. I'm feeling sports, so I'm gonna input 4. And then we see this table of 20 news, and I want to look more at the 2 that died in Sydney, so I just copy the full link of the article and get the full article. But if I don't have time, because for example I'm making breakfast, I can just input Y for yes to prompt the program to read the news out loud for me.
Article 1. Source: CBS Sports. Pre-SCO's Week 17 NFL picks. Bengals hold off Broncos in critical AFC bout. 49ers stun Lions on Monday night. Pete Prisco reveals all his Week 17 picks, including a big upset on prime time. Article 2. Source: BBC News. 2 die in Sydney to Hobart yacht race.
That was my program, and I thank you for your attention.